Navi Planner is able to display raster and vector charts. Charts of different formats can be simultaneously displayed on the screen. Used by National Hydrographic Offices. Navi Planner can display raster charts in ARCs, B formats. Raster charts have some disadvantages. For example, by zooming in too far, the display creates a fuzzy and illegible picture. By zooming out, the display may appear cluttered. Navi Planner can display ARCs and BSB charts in full screen mode with review function. A raster chart is displayed in the original scale only in a special window without any additional information. The Checked Mark Updates checkbox allows the display of corrected chart fragments. To obtain information about the raster chart, click the Info button. Vector charts consist of many single objects in different layers stored in a database. Vector charts are available from private companies such as TRANSAS TX97 and as official ENCs from the National Hydrographic Offices. Vector charts are zoomable with no deterioration in visual quality. Navi Planner provides the ability to select the display of various chart information categories. Base display. The base display presents the information which cannot be removed from the display. It contains coastline, own ship safety contour, isolated underwater dangers at depths less than the safety contour which lie within the safe waters as defined by the safety contour. Isolated dangers which lie within the safe water defined by the safety contour, such as fixed structures, overhead wires, etc. Scale, range, and north arrow. Units of depth and height. Standard display. Standard display is the minimum display mode to be used during route planning and route monitoring. Standard display consists of display base, drying line, buoys, beacons, other aids to navigation and fixed structures, boundaries of fairways, channels, etc., conspicuous visual and radar features, prohibited and restricted areas, chart scale boundaries, indication of cautionary notes, ships' routing systems and ferry routes, archipelagic sea lanes, custom display. In the custom display, the user selects the layers to be displayed. All layer display. The all layer display contains all information from the standard display and may also display spot soundings, submarine cables and pipelines, details of all isolated dangers and aids to navigation, magnetic variation, place names, etc. To obtain information about the vector chart, click the Info button. The information panel displays a list of acquired objects. To view the data, select the required object from the list. Highlight function is selected. Point type objects are marked with the circle on ENC format charts. The user may choose between a traditional presentation with paper chart-like objects or a display using simplified objects. Check the checkboxes to turn on the display of necessary additional information classes. Planner can assist the graphical presentation of navigable waters by using depth contours to separate safe waters from non-navigable waters. Select a safety contour value that is close to your own ship's draft. Navi Planner will then display the same or the nearest deeper safety contour. Shallower water will be non-navigable, and deeper waters will be considered navigable. Click to continue. Safety contour value. Safety contour is displayed on your chart as a bold grey line, separating navigable from non-navigable waters. The overall display features change according to the safety contour values. The safety contour display can only use depth contours already available in the chart. For example, a safety contour value of 6 meters, and this contour is not available in your chart, 10 meters safety contour will be displayed and used. The safety depth is used for the route checking functionality as well as the display of depth soundings. A spot sounding more shallow than the safety depth value, dangerous, will be displayed in black. A spot sounding deeper than the safety depth, safe, will be presented as grey. And isolated dangers are only displayed on the chart when activated, using the all or custom layers. The symbol for an isolated danger will change depending on your safety contour. If the isolated danger has a safe passing depth less than your safety contour, it will be considered not safe to pass over, and the top warning symbols will be in use. If the safe passing depth is greater than your safety contour, the isolated danger becomes insignificant and is only shown if selected in chart layers. Clearer display of the information shown on the screen, the Navi Planner can select color palettes to suit the external illumination conditions. Night with moon shining. Moonless night. Moonless night, the text is shown in the other color. White palette.